Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem when you try to install a temperature gauge on your barbecue pit. Stay tuned. So you just bought yourself a barbecue pit and you notice that it has one of these deals here. What this means is that it has a pre-drilled hole so that you can put a temperature gauge and just turn it. It shouldn't be too tight. You can take it off and then you can go pick one of these up. I do have a link on the description below. For this one is a 4-inch temperature gauge. The problem is that you see this, and if you're not aware, you want to take this off, screw this in, and when you screw this in, that's where it tightens, and it tightens upside down. The F is over here for Fahrenheit, and it doesn't look right. Well, easy fix for this. When you buy these, it usually comes with a nut behind it. What this is supposed to do is you'll be able to adjust this so that it fits correctly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all put it all the way down, then turn it. So you notice how it is still incorrect. All I have to do now is back here just adjust it, open it and adjust it a little bit so it butts up against it, and now we can check again to see how it fits. It's still not proper. You just keep on adjusting it. That was a little too tight. Right about there. What you want to do here, if you notice, it's almost centered, it's almost correct. What I did there is I got it down here to touch the actual smoker here, and I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a little bit of force to turn it. There you go. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. Once again, this has been the Smoking Beard, showing you how to install a temperature gauge on your smoker. Thank you for watching.